Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we are in New Zealand, and if you've been following the vlog, we were just in Australia. So how did we get here? That's what this video is going to be about. It's a bit confusing, but let's go back to Palm Beach in Australia. Let's go. Welcome to Palm Beach, Australia. This is where we're staying for the next 6 days. It's nice, isn't it? It's really nice here. We are going to be jumping into our car. We got a nice fancy car, if you haven't been watching the previous vlogs. But today is going to be cool because we're going to be traveling up, or down. Sorry, we're going to be traveling down to Byron Bay. But yeah, it's going to be a good day. It's nice and busy. The sun is where is it? The sun is out. The sun is out. It's shiny. It looks beautiful. And hopefully it stays like that today. Oh, in fact, it's a really nice day. Hopefully we can get some cool shots and just not get bombarded by the rain that's been happening for like the last, well, since we've been in Australia, to be honest. It's not stopped. Let's get the shoes on, let's jump in the car, and let's crack on with today's video. Boom. This is Douglas. Say hi, Douglas. The dog that owns this house, the landlord. Okay, you're in charge here. I've never had a spoiler in my life. Look at that spoiler. Hey Jess, how was that?
Yeah.
Do you know what, that is really like a real nice swim. Nice and warm, not the warmest, not as warm as Bali, but we'll take it.
We'll have it.
We'll have it.
It's well nice here.
Do you know what, this is like probably the best beach I've seen yet since we've been in Oz.
Yeah, for sure.
And we've only seen like 2, so let's have this one and the other one. Right, so after that we left the Gold Coast and we travelled all the way up to the Sunshine Coast, and we went to an awesome place called Noosa. We're quite happy because we're going to a new place called
Noosa.
James knows all about Noosa. He's been bigging it up for the last few days, and we're going to do a 3-hour trip. Is that right?
3-hour drive.
3-hour drive.
Hopefully get some markets before they shut.
Yeah, there's markets there.
The biggest markets in the Southern Hemisphere.
Is it?
Did I forget to mention it?
Okay, we'll hold you to that. And it turns out that James was actually lying about being the biggest market in the Southern Hemisphere. He googled it and found out it's not.
Yeah, I didn't actually get anything so interesting when I googled it. So there's something special about it, but I don't know what.
And we also got this little baby out. Finally, we had some good weather. I took the Mavic Air for a little spin and got some incredible shots around Noosa. Also, whilst we was in Noosa, I was talking to James about the quality of the iPhone and how good it is. So just to prove how good it is, here's this little segment that I filmed just using the iPhone. And James also introduced me to a top bloke called Johnny. How was it?
It was good.
You get scary when it rains, eh?
Mate, I got scared when it
Oh, you're so scared.
3 times.
Johnny is the main reason why I haven't been uploading, because we have sort of undertaken this new project. We're working together. I can't really talk too much about it now, but it's going to be incredible. I can't wait to share it with you. But yeah, we're just going to leave it as that. But anyway, we went to New Zealand, and that's why we're here. Also today we went down to Raglan and we got some awesome drone shots with the Mavic Air, and we also got some shots of this waterfall behind us. What brings us to this exact moment right now in New Zealand, and we are so happy to be here. So yeah, what's next, eh?